Good morning and happy Friday. Today is another 4-minute Friday. And grab yourself a cup of coffee. I did, and I love coffee. And check this out, guys. My new coffee mugs. I'm so excited. Today, we are going to be unboxing the Sony A7riii. We're going to be unboxing this bad boy today, and I don't really want to get too much into why I got it. I'll talk about it a little bit. I did make a blog post for it, but we're just going to be unboxing it today. So let's get started. All right, here goes nothing. As always, a boatload of instruction manuals. And camera strap. Charging cord. Charger. Now these do have different batteries than the A7riii, just so you guys know. Little clip. And here it is. Ooh. Whoops. All right. So the first thing that you notice on this Sony A7riii is that the recording button is right there. It used to be on the A7riii, it's over here, but they switched it to over here. It's a little bit heavier, feels a little bit thicker, but barely, just barely, so yay! So that's it. That's unboxing the Sony A7riii. Why did I get it? Well, I created a full blog post about it, so you guys can check the link down below, but the ultimate reason is because I needed a backup camera. And I'm going to be doing a bunch of portrait shoots, a bunch of weddings, and also a bunch of different landscape adventure things. And I'm going to be partnering with different businesses, and so I didn't want to be out on location, on a shoot, with one camera and then have that camera fail on me. So I needed a backup camera. When I saw the A7riii come out, I knew I was gonna get it. It just depended on when. So in the next series, I'm gonna talk about just some things about the Sony A7riii and then my first impressions of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. I want to know what kind of camera you guys use. What are you guys using? Are you Canon, Nikon, Fuji, Sony, Olympus? Like, I'm just curious on what you guys shoot on, and then, you know, I would love to chat with you. So make sure to leave a comment down below. Hit this like button if you like it, if you like the video, and then subscribe. Hit that subscribe to see more videos from me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you next time. Cheers!